If you want to master AI and become irreplaceable in 2026, whether you are searching for high-paying jobs, building a freelance career, or launching your own consulting business, this is the only video you need to watch. Hi, I'm Nandakishore, and here is a shocking fact. Over 78% of companies now use AI, but only 22% of professionals know how to use it effectively. Think about that for a second. AI video tools, AI agents, AI voice. The possibilities are exploding, but most people, they're still stuck typing basic prompts in ChatGPT and getting nowhere. That ends today. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 powerful courses that will teach you the most critical AI skills for 2026. I'll show you exactly what you learn from each course and how these skills can transform your career. If that sounds interesting, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the first course, Prompt Engineering from OpenAI Academy. Alright, the course number 1, and honestly, this is where everyone should start. Prompt Engineering by OpenAI Academy. If you want to unlock AI's full potential, prompt engineering is the foundational skill everyone must master. And OpenAI Academy has the best free course for exactly that. It is a completely free platform offering an introduction to prompt engineering that teaches you how to use AI effectively. You learn how to craft effective prompts that actually work. As you can see here, they take you from OK prompts to expert level prompts with real world examples. This course teaches you the art of writing prompts that get results, and this is just one course. After that, you can take up the advanced prompt engineering course for those ready to go deeper. And with this, you will have a great understanding of how to create prompts for ChatGPT or any other AI models that you are using. For a good prompt, you have to mention the context, the role, and the expectation. All these you can learn in this video itself. This foundation will 10x your AI productivity. Plus, OpenAI Academy has dozens of other valuable courses and blogs that you can check out. They have got detailed tutorials showing you how to leverage every ChatGPT features effectively. As you can see, they host regular events and constantly publish new content. This is your go-to resource for you to sign up, explore weekly ones, and stay ahead of the curve. Alright, next up we have a course from Microsoft that is Generative AI for beginners. And this is where you go from using just AI to actually understanding how it works. Microsoft has created the most comprehensive free AI courses available right now, packed with 18 hands-on modules that take you from complete beginner to building real AI applications. Here is what makes this course different. You start with the fundamentals, understanding how large language models actually work, comparing different AI models, and mastering prompt engineering at a deeper level. But then it gets powerful. You learn to build advanced prompts, create text generation apps, and develop actual AI-powered chat applications. The course teaches you how to build image generation tools, create low-code AI applications, and design interfaces that users love. You'll work with open source models on Hugging Face, a skill that's in a massive demand right now. And here is where it gets advanced. You learn how to secure your AI applications, implement RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and even build autonomous AI agents that can work independently. This isn't a theory. Microsoft designed this for developers, but even if you are not technical, the initial module gives you deep AI literacy that makes you valuable in any role. This course is completely free, self-paced, and hosted on Microsoft Learn. It's hands-on, practical, and teaches you skills companies are actively hiring for in 2026. Now let's talk about the third course. It's Claude 101 from Anthropic. And if you're using only ChatGPT, you are missing out on one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. Most people don't even know about Claude, but professionals who have discovered it, they are using it daily because in many cases, Claude outperforms ChatGPT, especially for writing, analysis, and complex reasoning tasks. Anthropic has created this free course to teach you how to use Claude effectively. And here is why this matters. Claude has a massive context window, meaning it can process and remember far more information at once than most AI tools. This makes it incredible for long-form content, detailed research, code review, and multi-step projects where you need the AI to maintain context across thousands of words. In this course, you will learn how Claude thinks differently from other AI models, best practices for having productive conversations with it, and how to leverage its unique features like artifacts, which lets you create, edit, and iterate on documents, code, and content in real time. You will discover when to use Claude versus other AI tools, how to structure complex requests, and how to get Claude to produce exactly what you need, whether it's professional writing, data analysis, or creative problem solving. The course is completely free on Anthropic Skilljar platform. You just need to create a Skilljar account and you are in. By the way, you can find all the course links in the description. Here is the bottom line. ChatGPT is popular, but Claude is the secret weapon that power users rely on for serious work. Learn both, master both, and you'll have the right tool for every situation. Next up is AI for Everyone from DeepLearning.AI, and this is taught by Andrew Ng, one of the most popular names in the field of AI, who does an amazing job of teaching you the basics of AI. Here is what makes this course special. It's completely non-technical. You don't need coding skills. You don't need a tech background. This is designed for everyone: business owners, managers, marketers, or any professionals who needs to understand AI without diving into complex technical details. You will learn the fundamental concepts, what machine learning, deep learning, and data science actually mean. You'll understand the terminology so you can have intelligent conversations about AI in any professional setting. But here is where it gets practical. You will learn how to spot AI opportunities in your business or career. How do you identify where AI can save time, cut costs, or create value? What makes a company truly AI driven versus just using AI tools? You'll also learn how to build simple AI projects and understand AI's impact on society and the future of work. Over 2.4 million people have already enrolled in this course, making it one of the most popular AI courses ever created. And there is a reason Andrew Ng breaks down complex AI concepts into simple, understandable lessons. This course is perfect if you want to understand AI strategy, speak confidently about AI in any meetings, or make smart decisions about implementing AI in your business. And here is how to get it for free. Click the fourth course link provided in the description. Once you are in this page, click on Enroll for free on Coursera, then select Audit this course, and you will have complete access to all the content at zero cost. If you're serious about AI literacy without getting lost in technical jargons, this is your course. Well, by the way, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I create a lot more videos on AI, and I'll transform you to become a master at using AI in 2026. Course number 5 is a game changer, Vibe Coding 101 with Replit. And this is where you learn to build applications or websites without actually writing code. Let me explain what vibe coding means. Instead of spending years learning programming languages, you simply describe what you want to build, and AI tools like Replit create it for you in seconds. Want to build a website, an app, a simple calculator tool? You just tell the AI what you need, and it builds the entire thing complete with working code. This is next level software development, I would say. Anyone with an idea can now build it, regardless of technical background. This course from DeepLearning.AI teaches you exactly how to use Replit's AI coding agent to turn your ideas into real functional applications. You learn how to write effective prompts for coding, structure your projects properly, debug issues when they arise, and keep your code organized and clean. The course covers the 5-skill framework for vibe coding, the essential skills you need to build professional-grade software that people can actually use. Using frameworks effectively, setting checkpoints to track progress, debugging AI-generated code, providing clear context for better results, and more advanced techniques. This isn't becoming a traditional developer. This is about building things fast using AI as your coding partner. The course is completely free on DeepLearning.AI's platform, and so on, and perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and product managers, or anyone who has an idea but doesn't know how to code. If you have ever wanted to build something but felt limited by not knowing programming, this course removes that barrier completely. Course number 6 comes from one of the biggest names in AI, Google's AI Essential. And this is where you learn to use AI for maximum productivity and real-world work effectively. Google has been building AI for decades. They create some of the most advanced AI models in the world. And now Google is teaching you how to leverage AI tools to work smarter, faster, and better in your actual job. This isn't about understanding AI theory. This is about practical applications, how AI can transform the way you work every single day, regardless of your profession. You will learn how to use Google's AI tools like Gemini effectively. But more importantly, you learn AI-powered productivity strategies that apply to any role: marketing, sales, HR, finance, operations, you name it. The course teaches you how to use AI for content creation, data analysis, automating repetitive tasks, improving collaboration, and making faster, smarter decisions. This is a specialization, meaning it's broken into focused modules covering different aspects of AI in the workplace. Each module is practical, hands-on, and immediately applicable to your work. You will learn responsible AI usage, ethical considerations, and the best practices for implementing AI in professional settings. Here is what makes this course powerful. Google teaches you how to save hours every week using AI tools that integrate with products billions of people already use daily. Whether you are drafting emails, analyzing data, creating presentations, or managing projects, this course shows you how AI makes every task faster and better. The course is completely free to audit on Coursera. As I mentioned before, just click enroll for free and select audit. to access all the content for completely free. If you want to work more efficiently, automate the boring stuff, and become the most productive person in your team, this course is essential to take. And finally, course number 7, AI Agents for Beginners from Microsoft. This is the most advanced course on this list, and it teaches you the future of AI. Most people are still using AI as chatbots. You ask a question, it gives you an answer. But AI agents, they're completely different. They are autonomous AI system that can think, plan, use tools, and complete entire task on their own without constant human guidance. Think of ChatGPT on automation. Instead of you prompting AI for every single step, you give an AI agent a goal and it figures out the steps, uses different tools, makes decisions, and completes the entire workflow for you independently. This is where AI is headed in 2026 and beyond. And learning this now puts you ahead of 60% of people who don't even know AI agents exist yet. Microsoft's course teaches you what AI agents are, how they work, and how to build them. You'll understand the architecture behind autonomous agents, how they use APIs and tools, and how to create agents that actually solve real problems. You learn about multi-agent systems where multi-AI agents work together, coordinating and collaborating to handle complete tasks. This is a next level technology that's becoming mainstream right now. The course covers real-world agent applications. Imagine AI agents that monitor your emails, draft response, schedule meetings automatically, agents that research topics across multiple sources and create comprehensive reports, agents that manages social media, analyze data, and suggest actions. This isn't science fiction. Companies are already deploying AI agents to automate workflows, and the demand for people who understand this technology is exploding. The course is completely free on Microsoft Learn. It includes hands-on exercises and projects and takes you from understanding basics of AI to building functional AI agents. This is advanced course, so I recommend taking this course after you have completed the earlier courses and are comfortable with AI fundamentals. But if you want to understand where AI is going, not just where it is now, this course is absolutely essential. AI agents are the future. Learn them now and you will be invaluable in 2026. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have covered a lot in this video. If you feel this video helped you to learn AI, then please share it with your friends or colleagues. It helps more people discover these resources. Subscribe to this channel. It's completely free. I make a lot of videos on AI and digital marketing every week to help you grow your online presence. If you're still watching this video, then drop a comment below. I watched it till the end and let me know which course you are taking first. I'll provide all the course links in the description. If you want to know the best AI tools, then check out my other tutorials in the description and follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.